Motivational speeches, with their ability to ignite passion, inspire action, and uplift spirits, have long served as catalysts for positive change. In a world brimming with challenges, these speeches stand as beacons of hope, offering the strength needed to overcome adversity. This article delves into the art of motivational speeches, exploring their impact, the elements that make them effective, and the enduring influence they wield in various spheres of life. The essence of motivational speeches. Motivational speeches serve as powerful vehicles for transformation, capable of instilling belief, resilience, and a sense of purpose. Whether delivered by charismatic leaders, renowned figures, or even everyday individuals, these speeches tap into universal themes of determination, perseverance, and the pursuit of excellence. They transcend barriers, resonating with people from diverse backgrounds, cultures, and walks of life. Key elements of a powerful motivational speech. Authenticity. A genuine and authentic delivery lays the foundation for a compelling motivational speech. Audiences connect deeply with speakers who share their personal struggles, triumphs, and vulnerabilities, fostering a sense of relatability. Clarity of message. A powerful message is one that is clear, concise, and resonates with the audience. Motivational speeches often center around a core ideal principle that serves as a guiding light, making it easy for listeners to internalize and remember. Emotional resonance. Effective motivational speeches evoke emotions, stirring a range of feelings from inspiration to determination. Through carefully chosen anecdotes, metaphors, and language, speakers create an emotional connection that lingers long after the speech concludes. Call to action. Motivational speeches should not only inspire but also propel individuals to action. A clear call to action provides a roadmap for listeners, encouraging them to apply the newfound motivation to their personal and professional pursuits. Applications in various fields. Motivational speeches find relevance in diverse fields, including business, education, sports, and personal development. In the corporate world, leaders use motivational speeches to boost team morale, drive innovation, and foster a positive company culture. Educators employ motivational speeches to empower students, instilling a love for learning and resilience in the face of challenges. In the realm of sports, coaches often deliver motivational speeches to fuel the competitive spirit and build mental toughness among athletes. Beyond these applications, motivational speeches have a profound impact on individuals seeking personal growth and empowerment. Conclusion. In a world filled with uncertainties and challenges, motivational speeches emerge as invaluable tools for empowerment and transformation. Through the artful weaving of words, speakers have the power to spark change, instill resilience, and kindle the flames of inspiration. Whether experienced in a crowded auditorium or through the screen of a digital device, the enduring influence of motivational speeches continues to shape lives, proving that words, when spoken with purpose, have the potential to propel individuals to greatness.